Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new series that is Love 2D for Beginners. If you've ever wanted to make your own 2D game, it might be simple Pong to something more advanced, then you're in the right place. In this episode, we'll cover what Love 2D is, what kind of games you can create with it, how Lua fits into the picture, and finally, how to install Love and set up your first game project. So let's jump right in. So first things first, what even is Love 2D? Love 2D, spelled with LOVE with a umlaut, is a free open source 2D game engine that uses Lua programming language. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for learning how to build games. So whether you want to create an arcade style shooter, platformers, puzzle games, or even simulators, Love 2D has got you covered. And what makes it super beginner friendly is that you only need two things: Lua, which I assume you've already learned the basics of, and Love itself. Now, how Lua ties into Love? If you've been following our Lua course, you have already had a head start. Lua is a scripting language that Love uses to run your game. When you code a game in Love, you're writing regular Lua code, but inside that Lua code, there are a few special functions that Love understands. Functions like love.load, love.update, and love.draw. Think of it like this: Love gives you the game engine and drawing tools, and Lua instructs it what to do and when to do it. So that is how Lua ties to Love. Now, what will you be learning in this series? You will learn how to draw and animate things. You will learn how to handle user input like keyboard and mouse. You will learn how to play sounds, how to add basic game logic and collisions and scoring, and eventually we'll make our own mini game together from scratch. So every video will be short, focused, and packed with practical examples. Now with that, let's get to installing Love 2D and setting up our project folder. And it is pretty simple. First, you have to head over to love2d.org, and this is their official website. You can check it out if you're curious about Love, about the community, about how it is open source, and down the games that Love has been used to make. And the most popular game, I think, as much as I know, is Balatro. This title won the Game of the Year, and it was all made using Love 2D. So you can make pretty cool games using Love 2D, and let's get started with it. So to get downloaded with Love 2D, you can get this Windows 64-bit installer or any package according to your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll just download the 64-bit installer. If I click on the download, it will start to download, and it'll be just done in a while. After that, you can just click on the executable file and execute it, and it'll open the Love 11.5 setup. I'm using this as the latest version, so I agree. And this is your default destination folder. I'll leave it as it is, and the next, and then install. As you can see, it has finished installing in a short while, so I'll click on finish, and you're done with installing Love. Now, if you've not installed Lua, you can check out our first episode of Lua, link in the description. I'll provide an executable files GitHub link in this video's description as well, so you can go check it out, and you can download and execute that to install Lua on your device. Now that is specifically for Windows. I have provided the link, and you can install Lua on Mac and Linux as well. So after that, you can get started with setting up your project. So in order to set up your first Lua project, let me just close this, and you can head over to anywhere on your PC. I'll create this on a desktop. You can create a folder and name it something like My First Love 2D Setup. So setup. You can open this and then open this in command prompt and open this in VS Code. And after that, okay, I'll do this full screen. Yes, I trust the authors. Let me just reduce the size a bit. And after that, you can just create a Lua file. So it will be named main.lua. So main.lua. Right? Now inside this, you can start writing Love 2D code. So let's first build a test project which will just output hello world onto our screen. So for that, we'll have to use a function of love. So after you have done installing Love 2D on your device, this will execute just fine. So I'll type out function and then love dot draw, and then inside that function I will use love dot graphics dot print. And what we are going to print, we are going to print hello love 2D. And after that I'll provide the coordinates of how far that I want to print it. First, the x coordinate, I want to print it 100 to the right and then 100 downwards. So let me tell you, the default position for our outputs is 0 0. Instead of 100 100, it's 0 0, so it's at the top left corner of the screen. So if I type in 100 at love.graphics.print, it will print it 100 units from the left, so right here 100 units right and 100 units down. So it should appear somewhere here in the window that we're going to open. So after you're done, you can save your main.lua file. I've turned on autosave, so it has saved automatically. You can close this and close the folder all in itself. You can then locate to your local C drive and see in your program files, and then inside love. Now here is love, right? This is an executable file, so application. If you drag on your whole folder to this love, you can execute your love2d code. So it says hello love2d, and like I explained before, it's 100 units from the left and 100 units from the top. So your default starting position is here, and you can enter coordinates. And that is how basically love.graphics that we did. Let me just show you once again. So what I was saying, in love.graphics is the module that you use that handles everything related to drawing on the screen. It may be text, it may be shapes, images, and you name it. So when we call love.graphics.print, we're telling that graphics module to render our text at a specific position, like I explained before, inside the game window. And that is different from the regular print function, which just sends the text to the console for debugging. So after you're done with it, like I said, you can save your file and run it by dragging your folder. And on Mac OS or Linux, you can just run the command line, and you can use the terminal to execute love space dot inside your project folder, and it will execute. So congratulations, and just like that you have made your first love2d app which says hello love2d. And that was about it for this video. So far, we have learned what love2d is, how it works with Lua, and we've even run our first mini program. So this is the first episode, so let's just keep it like that. You can use this graphics module to experiment, put this in different positions, output different text, you name it. Now in the next episode, we will dive deeper into love structure, like love.load, love.update, and love.draw, and start interacting with your game window. If you have it already, make sure you'll download love2d and Lua on your device and try writing that simple hello world program and variations of it. So if you found this video helpful or liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss episode 2. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.